Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today I got an iPhone 6s Plus today. It's going to be the rose gold. I'm going to unbox it for you guys today, so let's get started. So in the box is a 16 gig. It's going to be rose gold, iPhone 6s Plus. Let's get started. So here's the phone. It's rose gold. It looks pretty nice. Let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box we have the instruction manuals, which no one really cares about. So some stickers. They gave me stickers. The headphones, wall charger, and the plugs or the cords. I mean, but no one really cares about that. Let's get on to the phone. So the phone itself looks pretty nice. It's rose gold. It has a pinkish tint to it, so it does kind of look feminine, not gonna lie. But overall, the phone looks pretty nice. On this side, we have the power button, our micro SIM slot. On the top, we have nothing. On the left side, we have the volume rocker along with the vibrate switch. At the bottom, we have the headphone jack, the lightning bolt charger, and the speaker. Alright, let's power this on. And there you go. So overall, the phone looks pretty nice. Stay tuned and I'll do a full review of the phone. So catch you guys later. Peace.